In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix you don't have access to purchase gift cards on Google Play. Intro. Now this message means that your Google account currently isn't eligible to purchase digital gift cards through Google Play. Google confirms that this particular error is an eligibility restriction, not a normal payment decline. First, what you need to do is make sure that you are using the Google Play app, because digital gift card purchases are not available through the Google Play website. Also, make sure that the Google Play country is supported as well. So whatever country you're in means the Google Play country has to be the same and supported. Google currently offers this feature only in the United States, Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, and the UK or United Kingdom. Also, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account and that the Play Store app is fully updated. And if you're still getting the same message, there's not usually a setting that you can just change to manually enable gift card purchases. Your account just simply isn't eligible at the time, and your best option is to contact Google Play support and ask them to review your account or purchase a Google Play gift card from an authorized retailer. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.